Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on Good Molecules, which is this entire collection here. Now, if you've not heard of Good Molecules, you're about to. I believe these are going to be like The Ordinary, but probably bigger because they are actually better. So let me explain. Now, with The Ordinary, most of the products were one-hit wonders. Now, what I mean by that is that they were one ingredient with a bit of slip agents. Nothing wrong with that because you could build your skincare routine, which is great. Good Molecules are very similar, except they contain multiple ingredients at the same price point, if not less than The Ordinary. That's what makes them extraordinary, is that you've got multiple ingredients in here at $6, $7, $10. So this entire collection I got from Beautylish, and it cost $56 for 7 items. So I'm going to talk you through them. So the first one is the niacinamide serum, which is a 10% concentration. So there it is. You get 30 mils of product in here. If you're familiar with niacinamide, you know what it does to the skin, particularly good for those of us who are breakout prone, enlarged pores, that kind of stuff. And I'm going to tell you how to use them in a second. Next, you've got the Super Peptide Serum, which is formulated with a tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. 30 ml bottle, multiple peptides in here. So you can really, because they're so important, they're in everything at the moment. You've got a 30 ml eye serum, which is called Wake Up Eye Serum, which is a caffeine-based eye serum, particularly good for depuffing the eyes. 30 mils, multiple ingredients. Actually, I noticed somebody on Beautylish's website was actually having a bitch about this because it contains, I think it's EDTA or something like that. I'll double check, but it's very similar. Basically, it's nothing, right? Drunk Elephant are some of the pickiest people when it comes to ingredients, and they use that ingredient. It is nothing. All you need to do is Google it properly and see the research. It's a nothing ingredient. Doesn't do any harm to the skin whatsoever. Hyaluronic acid serum, which you all know what it is. Moisture, moisture, moisture. 30 mils. And finally, the beauty of the product, the overnight exfoliating treatment, which is a 10% combination of alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acid, so exfoliating the surface and the pore as well. Then you've got these two little, what I call boosters. They're the oils. You've got the squalene oil, which is naturally derived, not animal sourced. And then you've got the ultra hydrating facial oil, which contains sea buckthorn amongst other oils, or another oil as well. Now, I don't use skincare in the day. However, I did test it out and I didn't notice any pilling whatsoever. Now, I know a lot of ordinary products could and did cause pilling. It's never an issue for me because in the day, I wear nothing on my skin whatsoever other than sunscreen. I do not like skincare in the day. I like it in the evening, but no pilling that I found. Now, the way I use these is I just mix them all. I take 4 drops of everything, including the eye serum, which I use all over the face. If it can depuff the eyes, it can depuff my bloody face. And then I use 2 drops each of the oils, pop them all into a cocktail, and slap it all over my face. That is what I do. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I like high-end skincare. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's worth the money for the majority of the things that I use, and I will continue to use them. I'm going to continue to use these also. This is what I now call my super serums for the evening. Now, I am so excited to see if Good Molecules release more product because they're quite extraordinary for the price point. $56 for 7 products. Very few companies can claim that. In fact, a lot of the high-end stuff, you can't even get 30 mils for that price. So it is absolutely marvelous. I got the set, which you can do, but you can also buy the products individually. If you really want to buy them individually, the ones I recommend are the overnight serum and the overnight exfoliating treatment, and the super peptide, because it is absolutely marvelous. Marvelous. There you go. Such a cool brand, and never heard of it before. Now I have, and I'll be buying more. Looking forward to seeing new releases from this company because it is. See you next time. Bye-bye.